going on, guys? Alright, so in this video we're testing out the GoPro Hero 7 Black in MOTOVLOG format. So if you're keen on that, check this video out. See you soon. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your friendly neighborhood pig, and we're back with another review video. So in today's video we're testing out the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Recently picked this thing up, still got the 6, it hasn't let me down yet, so we still use that one on all our boating and fishing, crabbing adventures, but thought we would, you know, get with the times and catch up to everyone else and jump on the 7 bandwagon. So this thing is supposed to have amazing stabilization, so it should feel or look, won't feel to you guys, but it should look amazingly smooth. So if this is the first SkidPig video you guys have checked out, what we're currently sitting on is a 2016 Harley-Davidson Dyna FXDWG, which is a wide glide. So wide front end, raked out Dyna. Last off, well, second last off. They did make it 2017, but yeah, no more Dynas anymore, guys. They're all soft tails now, but that's not why we're here. We're talking about GoPro. So GoPro have got the market sorted. Like, there's no other action camera available that can do what these things can do. My first GoPro was a GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver. I think I got that right. If I didn't, I'll flash it on the screen. But man, these things are like, they're tough as nails. They're bulletproof. They can do anything you want them to do, and some things you don't want them to. But we've strapped them inside crab pots, like thrown them underwater, salt water too, mind you guys. So that's where we're heading down now. We're just heading down to the local boat ramp, just checking out the tide, seeing if there's still a lot of fresh water around, because yeah, if you are new to the channel, we do a bit of fishing, crabbing, adventure type stuff. But yeah, anyway, that's why we're heading out here. But yeah, we strapped one inside a crab pot and threw it into the salt water for a couple hours just to get a crab's eye view, you know, what goes on inside a crab pot. And man, it was amazing. Like, it, holy shit, there's some good bumps. Yeah, it didn't let us down. It still works perfectly to this day. But yeah, they're pretty cool, they're pretty tough, they're pretty hardy. Like, perfect if you're a bit of a lunatic and like to do some crazy shit and record it. So yeah, what the hell. Okay, well, that's not something you see every day. Let's go and have a look. Oh wow, that's a taxi. Holy shit. Yeah, right. Well, that's going to make it fairly hard to launch a boat from here. Oh well, I'll just cross fishing off the list for the next few days. Anyway, let's get back on the road. We said Harleys can't go off-road, eh? anyone smart, I suppose. Fuck. You gotta do it, don't you? Man, you have got to appreciate... Oh, there's the tow truck. He'd be going to get that thing out now. How good does that sound, guys? Woo! That's when you know you're alive. Alright. Let's calm down. We'll get back down to reality. This is literally the first time I've turned the GoPro on, so let's have a sneak peek here. Yeah, we're good. So I'm pretty keen, as I'm hoping you guys are, to see how good this stabilization and the upgrades, basically why we went to the 7 over the 6 or the 5 or the 4 or whatever. So apparently they've stepped their game up big time, which is why I tipped in. But we need to test this shit out for ourselves, so I'm hoping it's as good as everyone says it is. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Is this something that could improve your channel, further your channel, help your YouTube career out? Like, man, I'm really digging doing this YouTube stuff, so I'm going to continue. I hope you guys enjoy watching the videos. Good time as ever, I suppose. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, headbutt the subscribe button. And don't forget, guys, wherever you are in the world, have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink a cold beer, and I'll catch you later, eh? See ya!